Okay, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Caci, Cacipooh. Yeah, but it's me. I'm finally posting my first video on YouTube. Now I'm a little scared, so I'm probably a little off. I don't know, but yeah, but the song that I'm gonna be singing is "Fire to the Rain" by Adele. Of course, I love that song. I love her. And it's gonna be like hard or something, whatever, because she's a really good singer, and I can't catch up. I can't go up to her standards. So, but I do my standards, so at least that's good. So I hope you like it. Yeah. So that's about it. So here you go. Hope you like it. I mean, YouTube. It's gonna be a little off. I'm gonna have to retake it. Of all my heart, and as it felt, you want to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms with a falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said they were never true, and the games you played, you would always win. But I said fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming, that's your name, where I lay with you. I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said they were never true, and the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw her into the flame. Well, it felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door that I heard you coming waiting for ya. Even now when it's already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw her into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Oh no, let it burn. Let it burn. and I was like, so yeah, I hope you like. I probably won't go over it, but I'm gonna make another one because that's my first time recording whatever. So and I'm kind of sick. So yeah, I'm thinking of so many excuses, but it's whatever. I hope you love it.